Welcome back to Kiki Theater.
Okay, so today, so you've already seen my squishmallows. So we're gonna count my fidgets because I just got a bunch of new fidgets. Okay, I'm gonna go fast because I only have like 10 minutes to do this video, so pretty quick. Okay, and you guys are gonna count in the comments. I think the comments are working; they should be. Yeah, just count all of them. If you could. Okay, so I have my squishmallow. Really fluffy. That's Isabella. And Bruno. Okay. Then I got my Pop-It case right here. Because it used to be my old iPad case. Pop tube. Pretty loud. My yellow one. Camden. Green pop tube. Blue. I used to have the whole rainbow of pop tubes. Do I have my purple one? Okay, we got my pink one. Got my dog chew. Have to cut that part off pretty soon. Actually, I'm gonna do it after dinner tonight. Then I got this another orange pop tube. It's my brother's, and it's really crisp. It's like
At least I just stole my Pop-It too.
I'm sorry, I'll give it back, okay? So there are two different shades, as you can tell. I like the lighter one better. I can hear you, but I won't. Okay, so I got my generic Pop-It. It's a rainbow. It's pretty cool. I just realized I don't have a plain colored Pop-It. One simple color. Hey, Camden, get out. Actually pretty simple to pop. Pretty nice. I got my rainbow Pop-It. Camden. With clouds. This reminds me of Peppa. I don't know why. Just because of all her nice moves. Okay. This also reminds me of Peppa. All my rainbow Pop-Its remind me of Peppa. Camden. It's pretty nice. It's glow in the dark. Can't really show you because it's light out, but. And then I got another Pop-It that's rainbow. It was supposed to be a hard shell. It didn't really turn out. It's still crisp, but not what I wanted. Actually, I do have a plain colored Pop-It. Okay, so I got this unicorn Pop-It.
Let's go.
Okay, 1 second. Get. Okay, coming in a minute. Okay, so I want you guys to stay tuned for part 2. Here's really quick. So this is my only plain colored Pop-It. It's blue, pretty nice. So stay tuned for part 2. Bye guys, love you guys.